Hello, boys. Can you hear me? Ladies and gentlemen, can you hear me? I learned. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah. Do you hear me, lads? Yeah, Martin, let's go. Are we boys ready in it? Let's get jumping in the strings and that. Did anyone catch what's this thing called GJ cells? It was so clean from 83 500, 83 800 even, but I don't think anyone called that by 83 800. What you mean, Azrael? You dumb man, you dumb blood. Hey, look at this transition. How's this transition? Tell me how the transition looks like. Yeah. Alright, let me add this, boys. I'll just give it solid 4. I see how it is. No, I see how it is. Alrighty. The hourly just opened up. We could have that sells we want from here down to the lows or wait for the retest. Alright, let me open up the epic pen. We can trade, boys. GJ buy. No. Sorry, but no. Why? I love you now, but like, I'm just saying. Okay, no, this is gone. I'm sorry now, but that's stopped for now. Alrighty. Let's jump into the thing and how many people we have here? So I don't want to waste my time explaining to 3 people. Wow, only 6. Amazing. Great. Rishi. Oh shit. That him. That wreck. Damn it. Oh, you wanna explain us? I'm what? You? I said yes, I will, but I don't want to do to 2 people. Just let it happen. Let the things begin. Martin, oh, me and Nav. Alright, cool. I'm sorry. Alright, you 2 are more important than everyone else. Alright, bye. Boys, let's jump in. Okay, so let's see what we have for today. So this week we have, why is it showing from the 6th of September? This is wrong. Alright, whatever, it doesn't matter. Alright, so what do we have for this week? So from Monday, today and tomorrow, we have nothing on the dollar. We have only the pound news, and that's tomorrow. Alright, so for the next 2 days, we could see price going to the other direction. What the hell is this guy saying? We could see dollar go to the other direction. Why? Because remember, investors don't like to buy at a point where price can go up and then they will be in a big drawdown. Yes, hedge funds are a different story, but I'm talking about big institutions. What they usually do is, since they know what the news is going to be, what's the news? We have CPI. They're expecting much higher numbers. So what does this tell us? Well, the dollar is going to get stronger if data is as is. The dollar is going to get stronger. Why? Because Powell is going to be increasing rates, not because of the inflation being high. Inflation actually means the devaluation of the currency. But this goes against the Powell's words. He wants to make the dollar stronger. So with higher inflation means higher interest rates. This would just give it basically a signal. If this comes at a 0.6, 0.7 or a 0.5, this could give us basically a signal that Powell is going to come and increase rates. Powell increasing rates means, well, dollar is going to keep pushing it higher and higher and higher. We're going to go see 106, 107s before we start having any sort of reactions. And I believe Powell said himself he's going to be looking at CPI and PPI data and PMI data much closer than usual. So what can we expect for this week? Well, I mean, I planned this out yesterday, but I didn't trade in the morning, so that's a thing. But I expected gold to have a pullback to at least 1929s and maybe 36, but 36 is a bit doubtful, but let's see what happens. So what I was expecting for today is not actually sells. I was expecting sells only below 17.5, which never actually happened. So the only thing I was looking for was buys above this area for the reactions, due to expectations of what they're doing, what's going to happen. Since the expectation on CPI are really high, but we still don't have the data, we're still not confirmed. We can see pullbacks on the currency, and pullbacks on the currency, as we can see, USD is coming down strong, but it's still above 104,500 and 104, which gives us indication that still, even though it's having a pullback, it's still in the same bullish structure. You can see the 4-hour, yeah, it's coming, it went up, came a retest and started to push. These retests are quite normal for anything that you trade, right? So what can we expect for today? Well, we expect even the dollar to range around this area or come below to 104, 104.3 and 104.5. And what the hell? And we see the dollar going and gold going up to 119.34 and a bit higher or below, but sales are only valued below 17.5, nothing else. So what we can expect is, well, gold to go to break above 29 and go higher. So buys above this area and sells below this area. Yes, we are still in a bearish market, but look where price has been. Every single time we came to this level, we did a retest and a rejection. So we need quite strong confirmation for price going to the other direction, right? Even though the market is still bearish, we still need quite a strong rejection and a quite strong confirmation for that trade idea we have. Okay, so now let's go on the trade ideas. Dun, 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 dun. So for today's trade ideas, we rejected this area. Oh my god, this is too thick. Okay, we rejected this area. We have seen price come down, do multiple rejections at 20, which was good that we kept below, but we're now going to this level. Once price breaks above this, we do a retest of this level and start to push. That will be great for buys. So the buys will be, what the hell? Buys will be above let me change the color. Buys above here. And for sells, I'm still looking for sells only below 1929.5. So here, like this, and we can get the sells. This would be clean, but we need to wait for the confirmation. Other than that, you have to see how the price market is. This is the sell ideas, this is the buy ideas. Why? Because, well, USD data has been really good recently. PMI, manufacturing and services both were higher. NFP was higher. Unemployment claims were lower. What this indicates, yo, what's up? Indicates economy is strong. And we may have higher inflation for the times for the next few weeks slash months. As a result, the Fed could increase rates at a higher increase rates and keep them higher for longer. More power to the dollar, and drop on gold. All right, now we have this setup. Now you can see this. Please read this. Can I get an understanding? Hopefully, if you have any questions, please let me know. Too many words. Can you summarize it? If we buy or sell both, I want to kill someone, I swear. Anyway, so this is what I'm looking for right now, and yeah, for now this is the setups. These are the setups. Let me show you. So these are the setups. I'm looking for sells below 1917. If I see a nice reaction at 1923, I might still sell, but for now we're looking only for buys above here. We can have that small short-term pullback to 1939, 1936 before we have any sort of reaction for price coming down. And we need that CPI data to actually be really high, or else we're gonna have a price reacting and then just getting absorbed and for future rate hikes called the pivot prayers. But for now, we're looking into the data. We have to wait and see. We need the data to come out as expected or lower, or else as expected or higher, or else we're gonna have like some sort of slowdown on the overall structure of market. We're gonna have price ranging, going slowly up and like chugging its way rather than having clear signs. Okay, so now let's jump in. Okay, does anyone have any questions until now? Bay sale, yeah, change your name to Bay sale, bro. Bay or slash sale. Does anyone have any questions for now? Because this is actually looking really good for the whole week. Okay, now for yen, what do we have? Let me open Koifin. Let me see if it's there. The yen's central bank, like the guy that runs it, like Powell, similar to him, he's been giving signs of like some sort of like work on top of the yen to give essentially more power to the yen, even though they want the opposite. But this could give us some reactions of yen coming down, yen going up, and pound going up, pound coming down. Well, so let's see on where is it? Okay, let me just change it to JPY, JXY. So as you can see, we went to 69 and we're starting to come down, but we're right now having some sort of reactions around this area. And also the pound is looking into like has been really high for some time, so we need some sort of reaction. We could see price of this start to push up further because of their intervention. They're looking for some sort of intervention, not fully, and this can cause the yen to go up and the pound to go down. Let me change it to VIX back again. VIX. All right. Yeah, VIX has been really good. So this means more outflow from the. You can see VIX has went to 18 and came down straight away. This can give us a better understanding. Remember, gold's a safe haven. When price goes, when this is high, people put their money into safe haven assets. What are safe haven assets? Currencies like yen, currencies like the pound, currencies like the Swiss franc. The dollar is there, but we're trading directly against the dollar. So in that situation, it's gold. Gold is the overall safe haven for the whole world, essentially world economy, right? So we can have that that leeway when we see VIX going down. That much means more outflow from the safe havens, i.e. this, to risk-based assets. Like what? Well, US30. We expected US30 to come down to 34,000, and which it did. It came up now. It went back up, and then now it's coming down again based on the expectation they're gonna have. I expect price to go to 3,500 before having some sort of reaction, and price coming down to 34,000 again and further. If data for CPI comes down as what is expected, we could see US30 come down to 33,500 and lower, probably, maybe not, maybe yes, but for now we're looking into some sort of reactions about 3500, right? Now for gold, for yen, what we can expect, I got a sell actually from here. This is what I got, energy. Close out my positions for some stupid reason, but yeah, this was the trade idea I had, and I cut in. What the hell is my mouse doing? Yeah, I closed it out around here, and now it's still going on. Yeah, so waiting for to see what happens. Okay, why is this mouse is connecting? Okay, so what I'm expecting for now is, well, buys above 29 and sells below 17 and a half. This is for now. It can change based on lower time frames and structure on the lower time frame. This is reacting a lot. So if we see price break above and break above here, we're still gonna have that nice juicy bullish structure. Okay, and for yen, I mean, it's quite bearish. We can see price come down to 31.32, 31.832 for today, or the date for tomorrow, because of some sort of intervention on the yen and other currencies. You either talking and doing chat and shit, essentially. So we can see price coming down to 182, 181, 800. For now, be careful on the buys on GJ. We may have some small reaction buys, but for now it's still inside in that bearish structure. You can see this is a market gap. This market opened up here. This was based on what UAD said. You can see how price has been reacting. We can see price come down to 183, 200. If it comes to around here and then closes back around, I'll be looking into sells. What I mean is this. Well, price has been doing rejections around here. Nicely, lovely. Price came down, did a retest, came down again, did a small short-term pullback to these levels, which is decent, came down again. What I'm expecting to price to come down to this level once again, like this level, and then we have that reaction for coming down to 188, 181, 800 and 182. So sells around this level, and that's about it. So be careful, and buys would be only above, let me see, buys will be above 184, 600 and 500. That's literally the only logical place for buys. That's it. And we could have risky sells around here. If we may have a stronger bullish structure for a bit, price come to do a retest of this level again and then come down. So we may get this, but this is just, remember, these two levels are much stronger. We may have these two type ideas. So watch and wait for the markets to tell you what they need, what's gonna happen. All right, now let's just jump back to the USD pairs. I love this. All right. See, price rejected this area. It's still fine in terms of like structure, but for now we need to wait. The bad thing is the bullish candles are getting canceled out with the bearish candles, but they're still stronger than the bearish candles, and we're above 1926. All right, does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions? Is this live? Yes. Bye, GG. I'm gonna slap you. Good morning. How are you, Astro? I'm doing good, mate. I'm doing good. Doing chill. Alrighty, let's see, what do we have? Newsletter, world economy, top listed currency, Halifax UK average decline. Also, this was a reaction for pound coming down to China, Australia, Japan investment assets 1.6 trillion. Bank lending jumped 3.1%. They're increasing their lending. How do you know to trade? You can trade if you're on. Do you know how you can trade on TV if you're on TFT? You can do this. Like, it's a stupid hack, but okay. Go on Oanda, make an account, and open account, right? And then once you have an Oanda account, because Oanda works on this, right? Okay, 18%. Let me put it in charge for a second. All right. Oanda, since Oanda is supported on TV, you can open your Oanda account here. Where is it? Trading panel. Yeah, this paper trading, and then you can just connect your trading account somewhere. Explore supported brokers. Yeah. I have no idea why is it not the way. Okay, no broker listed. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. But anyways, the UK and stuff has. You will see Oanda there, and once you connect to your Oanda, use this duplicum. This is a nice where is it? Duplicum, yeah, yeah, this one. It has even a free account. You can see C Trader, and you can do it for FXCM too. FXCM is supported by TV2. But you know, if 8 cap, it doesn't matter since it's you sure? It has 8 cap, but is it the same servers? Since they're using demo accounts. I'm not sure. I don't know. Oh, by the way, did you see this? Oh my god, it's amazing. MetaTrader 5. I'm just waiting for this for my broker to support it. This is so clean. Look at this. This is MT5, mate. Right? This is MT5, and it looks this nice. Like, look, XAUUSD, right? This is a demo account, obviously. Look how clean it looks, and then you can just press one click buy and sell, for example, one lot. Buy. Okay, let's accept. This is basically doing exactly the same as MT5, and then you just buy, and then you can just drag and stuff like so. Can you drag? Yeah. I don't know how do you do the dragging thing. You have to add the option. No. How do you do the drag? Wait. Only click trading SL and TP levels, obviously. Yeah, here. Oh, I did it that day on my computer, on my phone. But anyways, yeah, this is like you can see it's amazing, mate. Stop loss is a I don't know 1925. Oh, you can drag. How am I not being able to track this? What the fuck? Okay. It's weird. Anyway, this is MT5 on MT5 actually, but on web, so it's so much cleaner. Like, look how smooth it is. You can actually just press this, and it looks like trading on TradingView. Bro, I don't know this thing. I'm waiting for my broker to support it, and then the moment it does, connect to an account. Yeah, see, it's just right now MetaCodes. You open a demo. You can't connect to your own account yet. You have to. Your broker has to support it. Your broker has to support it for now. How am I? What I do? I'm teaching stuff, and then you're saying I'm boring. I see how it is. Ah, you dickheads leave me like that. I see you. Yeah, no, this is just for show. This is demo. This is not real. It's just trying to show something. Yeah. Alright, we need to wait for price to show us a clear sign of where it's going to go. The good thing is we are having reactions at this exact level. We may be able to get sells around net 25 or 23. If not, buys above 29.5. Yeah, exactly. It's like literally it's the same thing. The only yeah, Oanda's trading platform is I used to trade on Oanda. I don't know if they have changed recently, but I used to trade on Oanda. But the spreads are horrid. The spreads on Oanda are so bad. It's in 30s. What the hell is this? Their thing is really good, but bro, the spreads are so freaking shit. Like actually so bad. Commodities, where is it? Natural gas, we all commodities, gold. Okay, here. It says 10. But bro, when you actually are on it, for some reason, I swear it's like minimum 30s, 40s. It's so bad. I I don't like it. But they're overall like what's this? They have so many options. They have so many platforms. FX Trader app. This FX Trader app is nice. I didn't trade on this. I used to use MetaTrader, but when it was MetaTrader 4, they even have this their own app, which is actually quite nice. What the hell? See, it looks quite nice compared to MetaTrader. I just used to use MetaTrader because I was used to it. But yeah. 15? Really? I don't know, maybe because I used to do like this is back in 2020s, maybe 2021, like a long time ago. Maybe now it's different, but this was like quite a long time back. I have in my own hand. I don't know if my account's still active. Yeah, Wanda is too nice, but oh, freaking hell, the spreads are before at least, not now. And both ways for you guys, you can't use it anyways, right? You have to use other brokers because you won't be able to trade gold. And no more than 1/30, right? Does anyone have any questions about trading, psychology, sleeping? I'm a doctor too, remember that, so ask me anything related to your body, I'll tell you. Oh yeah, you're cool. Yeah, what's up? Circo asked me. Oh, I was just eating a pizza, bro. It was nice. I have one slice left. Yeah, I'm hungry. Bro, it's 2 p.m. for me. Look, 2 p.m. man. Dun 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 dun. Hey, what? Do you have any question? I'm bored. Someone ask something. You suck. You all suck ass. Where are you from? And do you like? I am from everywhere, and I like it. I am from everywhere, my love. I am Mr. International, bitches. You're forgetting on Puppy's Papa International boys. Alrighty, I'm waiting. Where is it? Where is this stupid app? Okay, here. Nicotine for focus. I mean, see, nicotine as it's on its own is actually quite strong, like a really, really powerful uh, drug for essentially, yeah, mess up with for themselves. Yeah, for essentially focus, and it actually helps with like your brain activity. So if you actually use nicotine, just pure nicotine, it will help your mental structure. That's why the old times like cowboys, the people who go to war, they usually smoke. It's not because it's of its addictiveness, it's because it actually keeps them in focus. The problem with nicotine is nowadays we have that stupid amount of like 7,000 chemicals. I'm not telling anyone to smoke. Yeah, time to get it. No, see, cigarettes are bad because they have 7,000 chemicals. Cigars, like actual like smoking tobacco, like proper tobacco, they are fine, I guess, in my opinion. Cigars, yeah, I think there's one called Edge Upman and Cubans. Edge Upman, I'm not sure. Edge Upman, Edge Up, I'm not sure. Yeah, Edge Upman. It's a really good old cigar. This is one really good cigar thingy. They're really good. And then there's Cubans and everything. Cuban cigar brand prices, whatever brand, yeah, yes. See, these are, I know for about this. And then there is also Cohibas. This is a really high quality Romeo and Julieta. These are also really high quality cigar. But these are quite expensive, so yeah, on its own they're fine. These are Cohibas are really high quality cigars, and they're like old stuff, like they're really good. The problem is most people can't afford these, so they go for a substitute like these. How many chemicals are in cigarettes, right? Look at how many chemicals, bro. It's insane. Nearly 2,000. Fuck off. Nearly 2,000 chemicals. What the hell? I mean, technically anything that you inhale isn't good for your lungs, but nicotine, yeah, nicotine is not technically inhalable. Like, if the way we're using it is not through inhaling because it's quick and fast. Oh, bro, what the hell? Look at this. 2,000 chemicals. What the fuck? But how many cigars? Like actual cigars. Cuban cigar. Like, this is like what? It's just 400 milligrams of nicotine, nothing else. It's just actual tobacco. Not a single leaf is chemically treated and artificial altered for taste. Like, come on. The difference is a lot. Versus 2,000 something chemicals. Come on, man. Yeah, if you're smoking cigarettes, I'm sorry, but like if you're smoking pure tobacco, you should be fine. Because what I see when most people usually when the people I've seen who are old and they smoke cigars, never had an issue. Yeah, fermented is fine, I guess, but like it's just fermented is fine, and it's just pure quality, and it's like real stuff, natural, not chemicals, just for addictiveness. No, this is horrid. Guys, someone bought this car, man. I didn't get it. AC23. Someone bought it. No! Wait for me a couple of years. I'll get rich, get all my money, and then I'll get this. Someone got it already. Yes. Look at it. No, it's even rolling ones. They're still not like they add stuff to it. They add stuff to the rolling tobacco too. The problem is not the rolling, it's what they add to make it more. See, Jonathan, with cannabis, like it's the problem with cannabis is it alters your mind, your perception. Nicotine doesn't. I'm never a fan of any like smoking or anything. But if I were to ever do it, it'd just be a normal cigar, and that's it. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, okay, so now we're now breaking above this. Once we close above 29.5, we can have those nice juicy sells. Yeah, 1 hour just flipped. It's closing. Once we close above here or here, perfect. We get that buys to 36. Easy wins. I'm just worried about the fact that we have had so many bullish candles, not a single reaction. So I expect price to come down to 25s before we have anything valid for trading. I want this, and then getting buys above here, or just buy strong candle with rejection, come here and then break. This is the only possible situation I want this to, because right now there's so many bullish candles. I need some sort of reaction. I never go in a trade when there's multiple bullish candles back to back, because or like multiple in one direction. I mean, sells from 26. Ooh, all right. Okay, mate. I said maybe you could be good. You could actually be good, but I don't want to go against my idea. My idea is the fact that we have CPI on Wednesday, and on Thursday we have core PPI, and we also have pre-LM UM consumer sentiment, and then Empire State Manufacturing, and they're all saying it's going to be high. When they're all saying it's going to be high, what does this tell us? Well, we have federal fund rate. What does this do? They're expecting a 5.75 or something like that. I honestly, genuinely want Powell to do this. It's gonna be fucked, but like, hey, I don't care. I want a 6.0. I want the 6%. I want to see it. I just don't care. I just want to see 6%. They increase it by half? Oh my god. Gold coming down to 1500. Not 1500, but yeah. I got in once we had the push from 24 to 26. And on the 15 with no bottom. See, bottom wicks don't really matter. It's based on. And plus, you know, the 15 minute candles, it's kind of bullshit. I don't know. I guess haven't. I barely use it. 30 minutes, 5 minutes is 5 minutes and 1 minute for entries. 30 minutes hourly for direction. 4 hour is for like overall structure. That's what I use. 15 minutes is just like there. Oh, okay. 15 minutes. Oh, it's closing this time. Okay, just be careful for a few minutes and that's it. That's literally my whole reasoning for using 15 minutes. I really don't care for it. I never use it. If you've ever seen, I never take any entries on the 15. Because whatever I can see on the 15, I can see on the 5, and the 5 gives me a better look. And if I'm using the 15, why am I not using the 30? It's even better. It's just like in between, pointless. Yeah, GJ is looking nice too. See, GJ had that nice reactions around for me. I want price to come down to come up and retest these levels, and then before coming down again. Pam 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 pam. All right, all right, guys, you should actually go read this book. Where is it? Let me mark it out for you. If you ever want to make yourself like also like more logical and with more some brain, and have nice psychology, read this book. That's book Zarathustra. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. One of the greatest books I've ever read. This first part, third part, and then I don't want to talk about nihilism, which everyone nowadays have a problem with. There is the three metamorphoses. Three metamorphoses. These are the three metamorphoses by Nietzsche. The camel, the lion, and the child. Now that you have gone, the child, the tree. Each one has like a thing. Yeah. Some people cannot progress because of what and where. I can read it only if it's a picture book. Oh, sure. Yeah, man, it has these pictures. All of them are just pictures like this. And if you guys are actually like quite a strong reader, you could read these. But these I don't. I mean, this book is like quite hard for most people. This is quite hard for 99% of people. It's amazing, but it's really hard. This you need to be basically like very strong with your psychology and philosophy. It's an amazing book. It's called Critique of Pure Reason by Immanuel Kant. Kritik der reinen Vernunft. Yeah, this is the German version. This shit is where that forced to read. No way you read this in school. There's no freaking way. They never teach Nietzsche and stuff in school because it will make people into superhumans. It's not possible, and it goes against religion for most of them. So there's no way they're gonna teach you in school. Especially, I was in a Catholic school, so no. I know, but you read Thus Spoke Zarathustra. There's no way. Maybe a dumbed down version of it, not the actual book, bro. People barely can read Nietzsche's books. Like philosophers it's hard for them. You kids going to learn? Come on. I don't know, but if they taught you, hey, yeah, man, you got lucky. I wish they taught us. This is my favorite book, and then what else? These are like strong level books. What else? Let me see what I have. Oh, it's called Atlas. Let me find the name. It's called Dark Academia. Academia Atlas, something like that. Atlas. I'm not sure exactly the name. Yeah. These are also really nice, but these are dark academia. I don't know if you guys read these type of books, but these are really nice. Yeah, Atlas 6. This is a book. It's really strong, and you can see the ratings are really good. Most people don't like these type of books, but hey, 48 Laws of Power also good, but it is manipulative, very manipulative. It's non-fiction, but it's very manipulative. It's not US, you know. I mean, yeah, you told me you're from Portugal, right? Are you? Yeah, I think you're from Portugal, no? These books are really good. What else? I have so many. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh shit, I have to sign it. Oh shit. They actually made you read these? Like, oh, Lithuania, okay. That's sick. It's actually sick. If you read those books, they force you to read it. But did you guys read the dumbed down version? Because there's stupid versions of the books too. Like, not stupid, but like, you know. Damn, boy. A full version, right? Yeah, yeah. If they did, that's really sick. Now we read the full 360. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, that's sick. Because these books are really strong. It's good for the human psyche and human brain. Oh, and if you want to go like full deep into your own body, you read Carl Jung. That guy. Kessville. Kessville, Switzerland. Okay. Yeah, this red book is really good. The main thing about Carl Jung is the what's it in the shadow stuff, right? So if you understand this, you can actually work. My video, which I'm doing on for psychology, is this, but freaking hell, I can't do it. So long. Yeah. This is there was this thing called the shadow self. Embracing it and understanding your own shadow self and your own strong points. It's really nice. Me personally, I have a problem with closing out early my positions because I'm like, oh my god, I'm in few profits. Oh my god, I'm in $1,000. I'm in $500, $200, $1,000, and then it ends up running like 400 more pips or something like that. Okay, and then I just hit the wall for an hour straight because I'm like, freaking stupid guy. Why'd you close? Why'd you close? That's like my own problem. And it comes down from rooting from losing so much, like in terms of money. So I'm just trying to like be making it back, and it doesn't work out well. And these books actually help if you understand them. Da, 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 da. Does anyone have any questions about the overall market? What the hell is it? Anyone here plays tennis? Tennis guys, anyone? Trying to learn it. I recommend trying VR. Bro, I have a VR, but I don't like the... Oh, exactly the same. Okay. No, I have a tennis court outside my house, like in my building, so I can like go around, and I have in my uni and all, it's fine. I'm just trying to learn, it's just like, I want to learn it so bad. It has so much, what's this thing called? Like the cardio is sick. There's nothing going on in the markets. You guys want to do GBP USD, even though I don't do this shit, but hey, let's do it. GBP, why do I have this at every 200? This is not for this. Let's see. Oh my god, it's been going down cleanly, and now we're doing a restructure. Alright, price has been coming down perfectly. We're at this level with multiple rejections. We can come and retest this. Once price breaks down here, we can come and get that sells coming down. And this, once price breaks down this level, more sells. The USD is looking to be even stronger, so we can have that nice juicy sells coming back down. Yeah, this is really clean. You can have at 24,500, let me delete these. 24,500, 2,500, and 1.25, 1.24,500. These levels are really strong. Let's see. Okay. Sells below there. There, sells a retest of this area. And obviously sells below this zone. Sells below here or there. What the hell is Indian music doing? It will go away. How do I delete this? Okay, and then yeah, but I don't think a retest of this zone would be good. So for me, if I would enter, it would be below this area. I would enter sells, coming down, retest, and then coming down further. I'm gonna keep it for a longer period of time. Let's see how long I can keep this running. 1.24, you can run it for 1.24, that's around 400 something. What's 400? About 40, 50 pips. Yeah, alright. We did some GU analysis too, so. Alright, I play paintball. Oh, paintball is like an expensive sport. No, not paintball. What's this thing called? The airsoft ones. Airsoft one is actually mental. Really? How can you play against the wall? I want to do that. I want to learn on my own. It's quite nice. I love tennis. Is quite fun, and this is the sport that I like. This is the most stupid, expensively sport that you can get. Karting, racing. This is, well, let's just say it's very expensive, man. Cost of a card. How didn't you get a how didn't you get a thing? Why is card? Here's the truth. Look, the levels, like this is like engines, $3,000. The chassis, couple of $1,000. Bro, it's so expensive. Comp car chassis is 5K. The tire, the race suit 150. Total cost is like somewhere in the like 10-15K. Yeah, see, this is like the normal ones, 10-15K. Bro, come on, man. And this is just for the karting itself. Then the tracks, for example. No, see, there is cheap when there is FIA certified carts. What car? You need these. You need FIA karting. Like you need if you want to actually take karting seriously, you know your carts have to be certified by these like the engines, the chassis and stuff has to be certified. And it's not in every country. The tracks are not in every country. Like manufacturer, you can see manufacturer approval matters, publications. You have to actually send these. The circuits that are there, so many circuits, but like not each one is accepted. Yeah, they have to be homologated. Well, approach it. Okay. Yeah, see, you need to like follow these rulings and stuff. See, like it's not in every country. This is Bahrain. I can go here. Where's Dubai? Where's Dubai? Not there. What? What's this? Russia? What's this scam? Most of them in Italy and France. What the fuck? I hate you. Yeah, these are like, you see this length, and they have to be like, these are actually certified, like properly certified. You can see the dates and everything. But there are some certified like places that are also there, but not here. I want to go. I want to drive this. This. Look, you can get your car for like experience Formula One, experience driving experiences. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, nothing here. Alright, not bad. It's still doing the thing we want. See, full experience. We can have like experiences you can go test. Yeah, here private tuition. This is no. This is always for 10 minutes. 1,100 dirhams for 10 minutes. Where is it? Yeah, basically one of these tracks you're gonna play in. And where's the timing? Oh, 15 minutes. My bad. Sorry, 15 minutes for $500. This is my sport. The sport I like is like this. It is quite expensive. This is about $500. Yeah. You see how expensive it is? I mean, you can have this, but this is for like £50, $50. Ah, come on, bro. This is for drag racing. This is drifting. It's wet surface. This is drag racing is also not bad. I mean, but you can only do like 1 or 2 runs from now on. How many runs to participate? Please arrive 20-30 minutes earlier. I think it's just 1 or 2 passes. They're gonna let you do 1 or 2 passes. That's all I know. Yeah. Yep. The prices are way too high. This is actually like a Qatar ham is amazing. These are also there, but why would you drive this? It's either this or like these two, one of these two. Other than that, it's too much. And yeah, and Formula One, well, let's just say the tickets are, yeah, whatever. This is divided by 3.7, and then you're gonna get in dollars. Look at the prices, brother. This one, I think I remember it was like 26,000 something. Yeah, it's so expensive, and that you need to call them. Better stay home and eat fries. True, man. You'll be better much of rally experience. Bro, rally is not there while I'm there. Like, rally experience is not there in Dubai. What we have, I go back home. We'll go dunes. Well, sand dunes. This like here. I don't know if you know. It's like if you're in the US, you probably know it as Glamis. But we have what's the place called? Dubai Desert. I forgot the name. Yeah. Yeah, we go this. We do these. I have one of these bikes, and then we go. We go with these, but I like track racing. I like these, but I like track racing. We go with these. I want this thing so bad. This is, I mean, yeah, but this is go F now. This is what I want, but brother, it does wheelies. What the hell? Yeah, these. I want one of these, but let's just say it's not. 1,700, 1,800 horsepower. The ones in real life, like actually. They do like they pop wheelies. Look, it's like this is a real person driving. Like, look, it's coming down and it's popping a wheelie. Yeah, these are quite sick. Yeah, there's a place in California. Yeah, it's called Glamis. I want to go here so bad. Glamis Dunes. Bro, look at the number of cars. Look at this. Oh my god. People want this in life. I want this in life. Like, you know, the difference, the priorities are way different. Look at this. People come with campers. Buggy, yeah. I love buggies. They just go hit the dunes with a bunch of cars together. And yeah, live it. Why are there people? What's this? Bug off. Stupid. Yeah, you either these bikes are really sick, but they're very dangerous. Like really dangerous. They're quite fun, quite fun. What's up? Yeah, we're just waiting for gold to give us a clear direction. For now, it hasn't. We keep rejecting 27 and coming down and up. We just broke above it. Let's see if it can sustain above 28. If not, we may actually have that risky sells, but for now, we need to wait. We need to wait, brothers. Waiting. Look, the last previous candle, bearish candle, was quite weak too. So buys are still more imminent in terms of situations. This 4 hour on, okay, this FX, Forex.com, but yeah, the 4 hour for me just opened up. The hourly is just starting. We'll have volume and like trade ideas probably by 3:30. If not, there's nothing to trade for today. Bro, look at this. Let me, okay, do you want, this is the problem with the sport I like, okay? So look, for example, Simrig, right? Simrigs cost. Simulator rigs. You can see the prices are like $800 and it's a shitty seed. Proper ones cost, the one I'm getting soon, I'm getting one for somewhere. The wheel is this Moza Racing. I'm using these. I'm getting one. Okay, not this one. Wait, the one I'm getting is insane. I'm getting an R16. I'm getting this. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Look at the price of it. This is just a wheel base. It's not even a thing. It's $800. Okay, and I'm getting this steering wheel RSV2. No, I'm getting this one. I'm getting this. Look at the price of a wheel. $650. And then my pedals, I'm getting the CRP, yes, CRP loaded saw pedals. I'm getting these. Look at the price of it. Bro, it's just pedals, man. Then I don't need the digital dash. And then these I'm not gonna get. Oh, they have shifters. Yeah, I want to add this now. Now I'm gonna get this. This one I'm gonna get from, yeah. The handbrake, I might get this soon. It's $100 something. Sick. Yeah, this is sick. Look at how sick this is, man. Come on. Connection USB to PC, connection to PC. Nice. You don't need to have the same even thing. And then the seats, like aluminium profiles alone, are costing me somewhere around 1,000 something, $200. And the PC, okay, let me show you the PC. The PC is mental. It's actually mental. So the PC, I'm getting, okay, there's nothing on the charts, mate. Yeah, this is okay, good. But the PC setup, I'm getting placing from my phone, right? This is the thing. This is my setup. Ryzen 7 900 B56 B650 6000 megahertz 32 gigs of RAM 4090 980 Pro. I might change these monitors. For now, this is the setup. My fans alone cost like $400. All this to play solitaire, bro. I'm telling you, exactly. Now I'm gonna be playing this game. This is the setup I'm looking for. Assetto Corsa 3 screen. Look, this is the game I'm looking for. This is what my setup is this. Why is this doing this? Look at the setup. Bro, it's too sick. It's actually too sick. Okay, why is this so bad? Here, something like this. Not 21/9 minus the 16/9. This. We're playing this every day. But this is Samsung Arcs. This is, I want this, but this is so expensive. One monitor is $40,000. One of these monitors is $4,000. He's the worst player I've ever seen. Oh, yeah, it's $4,000 monitor. Yeah, this is what I'm looking. This is the setup I have. These. My wheel is a similar one. My wheel, this is the for I think Fanatic, but yeah, similar to this. The whole setup is costing some. Okay, yeah, this gold is pushing up now. And the whole setup costs somewhere around $10,000 to $11,000. You can buy a car. Let me find a car. Uh, you can find a car for $10,000, man. Here, right, price. Let's see, filter price. Okay, let's go to price. Where's price? Ah, here. Its maximum is $38,000, right? It's 10. No, let's go 40. That's $11,000. Okay, you can buy a Nissan, you can buy a van, you can buy a buggy, you can buy a Ford, you can buy all this for $10,000, $11,000. Like, look at it, you can buy a Mercedes. Fuck off. You can buy a Mercedes, man. You can buy a Nissan, you can buy these. You can buy a Ford Focus, man, bro. This is a Ford Focus ST. You know how fun these cars are? You can buy another van. You can buy a Jag. You can buy a Jeep, which will work probably by just switching it on. And then, oh, you can buy a BMW. Let me see if I can buy a Nissan Z. Oh, you can buy a Lexus even, bro. You can buy a Lexus. Like, come on, man. You can buy a Lexus for 30k. You can buy this. Look at it. Look how sick this car looks. Drift and shit. This is a it's a 6-cylinder, straight six. Telling ya, it's a scam. Oh, you can buy these cars. You can buy one of these. Look, you can buy a whole LS. Oh, this is like an actual S-Class. Look at the interior. Wait, I hope you can see the interior. These has massage seats, touchable seat. Bro, it's sick. What else? Oh, you can buy what? I don't know. Oh, Nissan Z. You can buy Nissan Z for sure. 350, 370. Oh, you can get it for 370. You can get this. Some mods drifting car. Easy, done. Bro, come on, man. Probably manual would be better, but yeah. Speed, I'm sorry, your sales are not going well. Speed, VR is based on what you're running. It's the type of VR you're running. Because for example, if you're running Assetto Corsa Competizione like the one I'm playing, you need quite a strong PC. Assetto Corsa Competizione on its own is like normally like hard to run. FPS, look, average is, yeah, see, you can see his VR performance board. Like, even though this guy has a 3080, it's just quite strong. The game is like really high quality. Speed, what's your SL by the way in the cells? We entered around 26, right? Here. Where are your cells? Where's your stop? What's your stop at? If you have a decent stop, you may be actually fine, but for now, I don't know. Around 1930. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah, let's see how it goes though. Ta-da. Join up, gang. Tell other random to join too, because what's this? I'm talking to myself. No one's like 2 messages. It's gay things. We need that 100, 200 views. Easy thing. When it's there, I'm active. Some people are asking stupid questions, but they're still asking. It's so slow. Yeah, we break above 29, you can get spies with us, maybe. Let's see. But I need some sort of reaction on the hourly at least. I need something to come down. On the 30-minute, it's not bad, considering we're gonna go above 29, which is like a really strong level. But for now, we need to wait. We need to see price react around here. Sells? No, buys. Set buys, bro. Buys above 29. Why? Well, let's go back. Let's go to the mall, you know. Okay. Why is it only GG? Pound, the USD. Alrighty. Okay. This is Monday. Let's go with previous week, okay? Previous week, we had good data on Forex factory orders. ISM PMI, good. Unemployment claims, good. Now let's go to the week before it. ISM manufacturing, good. Non-farm employment change, good. ISM services, also good. Unemployment claims, also good. Core PC and price index did not change. All good, right? Now, let's go to this week. Where's ISM services? Way higher than expected. Now, this can give us an indication of people buying more than they're supposed to. Why? That means they're spending more money. When they're spending more money, what does this do? This devaluates the currency because they're spending more money. And give me a sec, let me sign in and I can show you. They're spending more money. When they're spending more money, well, they're devaluating their currency due to the fact that they continuously give me a sec, please. They are continuously adding more. They're putting more dollars into the circulation. Now, what will this do? Well, this devaluates the currency and increase the inflation rate. When there's higher inflation rate, the Powell wants to increase rates because he wants to bring the inflation down. As he keeps saying, we are wait. We are in a high demand level, and we could see price going up. We could see inflation going up, and they need price to come down. We need inflation to come down because this is more affecting the economy than anything else. Yeah, we just hit 1929, and for that to happen, he needs to increase rates. By increasing rates, this could cause a bullish structure on the dollar. Now, remember, people and institutions don't like to get in price points like around here. They don't want to get in the highs, right? They want to get at the best possible point. So they close out their positions at a strong level, 1920s. Look, you can see how price reacted at once we hit 1920. Once we hit 1920, they close out their positions, are now waiting for better price points of interest. It's called PPOI. These terms are not there because like it's gonna make you or I or something just to be more, act more smart. They created it for a reason, right? So now you have to figure out and understand the reasoning behind their ideas. And yeah, that's it. They're gonna wait for a better price point, so probably about 36 to maybe even 40s. I'm not sure. Once they do, we can get that entry. That's it. You just have to wait now. Now you need to wait for that better prices and then get in yourselves. Let me find my desktop. Give me a second. Buys now. Wait, mate, at 30. Wait at 30. Wait for 30. Here. So this is what my friend wrote. He wrote it in 1920s. I'm expecting 36. Just write something in this first high impact news of the week. Monthly changes forecast us to stay the same, but it doesn't matter. The monthly change is going to be 0.6 higher from the previous. Buy or sell, bro, both. The yearly change is going to be increasing too. What does this tell us? Inflation forecast increases. With high inflation, we can confidently say that the Fed will have to step in to increase the rates. In order to increase its cost of borrowing, inflation coming back down. Why? Because price is going to go valuable. So with higher interest rates and the rise, market will price set in, meaning USD bulls and gold bears. But before this happens, they need to capture out, they close out their positions, right? They need to get, they already got to 1920s from like the highs, like where it was. They got from 45s down to 20s. They will wait for a better price point at 40s again, and then enter their sells again. They enter their whole price points. Now, the Fed says bring down inflation to their 2% goal. Look, 2%. The Federal FOMC is prepared to raise rates further and keep rates higher. Powell's words, not mine. If this happens, we could see safer sells from 1912, 1916s, 1970s, and that's it. And then this is the same thing. This is his trade ideas. He's expecting the same thing as I am. And 1921s, but I expected yesterday once price breaks above 20, we start to push, and it already did. And yet core PPI is the same thing. Is showing signs of, is inflation showing? That means supporting. We could have like soft landing, but I doubt it. We're in a soft landing phase, but it's just like shit market situations for most people. And yeah, not far-fetched, but wow, I don't know, I didn't read this through. Forecast to improve from 19 is not far-fetched. Yeah, we're closing above. We have no bottom wick, which is a bit that's why I'm gonna need to wait. I'll wait for above 30 then, because in this situation I don't want to be caught out in the price coming down and then pushing back up again. Notion, let me open up Notion again. Let me show you guys something, right? Trading fundamentals here. It's called, what is a Fed pivot? It's called a narrative and what they mean by it. This is what a Fed pivot is. Yeah. Read this. Copy image. It's better to be here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. They are gonna stay rich. The rich get richer because they have money and they can invest. You don't. That's the difference. This is the way. Yeah. Prof, just read it. No, read it. A Fed pivot refers to a change in monetary policy stance by the Federal Reserve, which is a central bank in the United States. The Fed pivot can occur when Federal Reserve alters its policy stance to a more hawkish position to a more dovish position, and vice versa. I am reading all that. You suck. This is why you're gay. Hawkish stance is one where central bank is more concerned to control inflation, what we have right now, or price close above 30. And may increase rates to prevent economy from overheating and like being like going hyperinflation like the 1970s. This policy stance can have dampening effect on economic growth, but can also prevent inflation. Dovish means price coming down, means they're more easy. They're like, oh, we're decrease rates. That's what hawkish and wait, let me write it for you. Hawkish and dovish meaning here. Hawks and hawkish policy are more aggressive in nature, where in terms of monetary or monetary stance during a potential conflict. It's named after hawks, aggressive birds of prey. The opposite is for dovish policies, is seen more meek and conservative. Therefore, the more is focused on labor markets, and hawks are focused on threat of inflation. That's literally what you have to understand. Yeah, fly high for interest rates. That's what basically is. A dovish stance, on the other hand, is one where central bank, well, I wrote it, I forgot, where stimulating the economic growth and may lower interest rates to encourage borrowing and investment. What the yen has been doing, they have a negative interest rate. This policy stance can lead to a higher economic growth, but may also fuel inflation, which happened during 2020 for us in the dollar, and then they decreased the rates, and well, we are where we are because of that day. The Fed is important because it can signal change in the direction of monetary policy and have a significant impact on financial markets. The fuck, bro, stop acting stupid. Fuel means, you don't know what's fuel? Fuel means like petrol. You fuel the markets the same way as petrol goes inside your engine and blows up. Like, it's the same thing. Yeah, including bonds, currencies, for example. If the Fed pivot is more dovish, basically they're looking into economic growth. Ketrazine, why? This can lead to a rise in the stock market, and investors becomes more optimistic and a prospect of economy. Conversely, if the Fed pivot is more hawkish, this can lead to a drop in the stock market, that investors become more, it's diesel with an I, more concerned about potential impact on economic growth. Okay, so what does that mean? Look here. During this time when price broke, they were looking into, in July, they were like, oh, we're not going to increase rates further. And they're looking into being just like stagnant. And then the pivot prayers came and started for a dovish stance. But now with Powell talking and saying, oh, since the Jackson Hole Symposium, since he said, oh, we may increase rates if CPI is high, look what happened, price coming down. And if they actually decrease rates, we could see price coming down to 33,500. Same thing for gold, right? You have to be logical about your positions and the ideas you have. This is why I do not want to take a buy straight away. I need that retest. I need that confirmation of prices being stabilized. If price comes down to here and then closes above, even better. So we buy. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna kill someone. Can you read it again, please? I wasn't paying. I'm gonna slap you, man. Go back. Rewind. Man says read it again. You guys want me to throw hands, don't you? Bro, there's no one in ever in any stream that gives the information, and I do, and has like 16 followers. It pisses me off. Here, another one on Wex, examples of why and where. Currencies, I'm telling you all suck ass. Read this. Dumbos. The federal pivot is a monetary policy and whatever. Read this. During 2008, in response to the financial crisis, the subsequent recession, the Federal Reserve pivoted to a more dovish stance by lowering interest rates to near zero, implementing a program of quantitative easing. I double like, really. Thank you so much. Amazing. You're such a nice person. A program of quantitative easing to stimulate economic growth. Inflation concerns. When the Fed became more concerned about the increase in the rising inflation, it may be pivoting to a hawkish stance by increasing the rates to slow down the economy and to lower down the inflation. You're such a nice people. You're amazing people. The COVID-19 pandemic. In response to COVID, the Fed became more dovish. They increased rates to near zero, implementing a program of quantitative easing. They put, just so you know, 70% of the world's currency was printed in 2 years. Businesses and financial markets. The change in economic data. The Fed regularly monitors economic data. The PMI, CPI, and what else was the other one? And GDP, if data suggests that the economy is growing faster or slower than expected, the inflation is rising or falling, the change its policy stance. Right now, Fed is hawkish. Just know that. I'm good, and you? What? I mean, yeah, you guys come say hi, leave. You all suck holes, like I swear, noobs. Yeah, we hawkish, bro. Come on. Sexy GJ. Mate, for DJ, I explained the yen is getting like some sort of like, UAE is saying, oh, they may increase rates. That's about it. How much fuel is in the market? Kind of lots, because Powell is way too strong. Powell is oh shit, big man thing. Powell is a yeah gang shit. Powell don't care. Powell don't care. Powell don't care about you. Powell don't care about households. Nothing. Break it down. All right. You cut this. You cut the onions, and then you can break it down. Like that. Who's Powell? Powell is my granddad. Powell's my granddad. We talk to each other every day. Me and Powell are like quite close friends. No, the reason you cut your onions and you're crying is because your knife is not sharp. If Powell tweets first, if Powell actually tweets, shit's gonna go down, mate. We're gonna have like a massive rush. Yeah. Bro, this is a shit market. I hated doing before news before CPI. It doesn't do anything. Where's Steve? He left. Nice. I opened both. Amazing. The market, I mean. What? Where is Steve? He left. Oh. Where is drawdown FX? Where are ya? See what is CPI? Yeah, CPI is yeah, he's sleeping. Amazing. CPI is when price go up for everything and we cry. Steve dead. Yeah, his name is drawdown FX, so probably dead. Sniper entry bias. Let's go. Let's see what happened here last time we were here. Scheiße. I shall need a price confirmation and then we can get that says in it. The smoke got him. Yeah, he got smoked. The smoke didn't get him. He got smoked. Properly smoked. Man got shanked in it. Alrighty, now once price rejects here and then we close about 29.5 and then we can devise. I'm from Glasgow, my friends. Glasgow. You guys are from Glasgow, yeah? Scheiße. Ja, ja, Scheiße. Ich kann das nicht machen. Oh my god. Cells, no, my guy. We are gonna do a buy above 29.5. Ready? 29.5, we do a buy. Let me mark it out so you guys can understand. So we do buy like that, like that, like that. And then we do buy. Alright? Or if you want a sexy buy, we do like this. Other than that, nothing. I'm from Glasgow. That's where I'm from, bro. You sound in German. Ja, ich kann sprechen Deutsch. I'm speaking Deutsch. Ja. Netherlands. I'm not from Netherlands. Glasgow. You guys got. I'm from Birmingham. Birmish. Jonathan Birmingham. You guys are from Birmingham. Guys, you know how like people from Scotland, they sound that's how they sound. They're like literally Scottish. Auf die eine. Why? Yeah, you're Saxy, you're German. Scheiße. You're all Arschloch. All of you. Had to in uni. Ah, okay. Glasgow for 2 years. Are you good in German? You speak properly. Scotland. I'm from Scotland. I'm from Birmingham. Birmingham. Yeah. Farzo. Farzo speaks Chinese. Guys, did you know Farzo speaks Chinese? He actually speaks Chinese, mate. Who was in Paris? I know. Wait. What's the word? Kurva. No, Kurva is in a different language. Wait. But the real question: who was in Paris? Bitches be in Paris. Yeah, speak Chinese. Yeah, sure. Ching Chong Hao. Scottish Chinese. Amazing. Scottish Chinese. Honestly, if you actually are, I have to see it. I've never in my life seen a Scottish Chinese. It's the maddest combination I've ever seen. Gold target for sales. We're not selling. We're selling below that 25 and 23. Not selling now, mate. Bro, I swear send me a picture. Send me a picture. I won't share, but show me a picture, bro. So the analysis is buy if we close above. Yes, we close above 29.5 and 1930.5, which will be better. We can get the buys. The reason is, I already explained this 127 times. The reason is the institution will want to get in better price points. So they're going to close out all their positions which they got in the 40s and 50s, and let price in the retail retards to push it up. And once price goes up to a certain point, CPI comes out as expected, they're going to sell. That's literally what I've been saying for an hour. So wait for 1929.5, 1930.5, get the buys. That's it. That's literally it. Yes. Why? Where, man? What the hell? On what time frame? It's based on what time frame you're looking for. I like to look on the 5 minute and the 1 minute for entries, and 30 minute and hourly for my direction. See, right now price on the 30 minute doesn't look good. Why? Because look at the massive rejection from 30 and now we're coming down. As I expected, price could come and do a retest of this level and start to push up. What I mean is price could do this. Price can come here, do a retest, come here, and then push up. If not, we can get that price comes down, retest of this area, and then for sales. But for now, we need the confirmation. But there's nothing to trade until then. You get it? Done. Yes, CPI can be manipulated. I mean, CPI is not as like, manipulative. It's just actual like data they can like show. They have to show. And unemployment claims, yeah, they can change it easily. Oh my god, last week someone bro, you know how many they have changed in the past like 2 weeks, like month? Look at this. Every single one with a orange thing is changed. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Holy shit. And they did not change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 21, they changed 16 of them. So yeah, it's very simple. They can just, oh my god, we didn't do anything. Yeah, we have nothing for today too, so no market movement essentially. Wait for sells. We could get that, how to say, we could get that strong sells like below here, which would be even nicer. But for now, we have to just wait. There's no logical trade to take. And let me see how's GBP USD doing. I marked some trade ideas. Yeah, price, the moment we close below here, we could have that sells and then you can hold it coming down. But for now, nothing. Wait for that trade. Wait for that trade to happen, my boys. Yeah, unpredictable. Yep. Okay, DJ is looking actually nice. Guys, once this 5-minute closes, I might have an entry because the 30-minute close below quite strong. This is candles flipping. I might have an entry. Okay, so we may get that DJ entry. If I do enter, my SO will be around here, and I'm gonna keep it to 181, 182, somewhere around here. So for like a easy 20 pip SO, my maximum. Waiting for this 1 minute at least or something. Yeah, okay. If this candle pushes up a bit and then flips, I might enter. For now, I gotta wait for a second. I didn't see this. No one told me. Pushes up and then breaks off its own low, I might enter, and then SL will be around here. Because this is like a nice rejection area. 30-minute close below, I might get that nice entries. To remove the chat on the phone on the other side, just put the whole screen on the browser. Why the chat? I mean, the chat's there, why not? Okay, I might do that. Fair. Let's see. You mean like this? But I like the chat. That's whatever. No, but this way you cannot see the wins and trades and losses and stuff. Just keep it like this, it's fine. Guys, once this candle, I'll see how this 5-minute closes. If this candle 5-minute closes below here, or the 1-minute candle closes below this area, I might sell, okay? I need that confirmation, I can get that entry. I would put just the chart. Okay, fine. Tomorrow or something, I might do a planning way. I can just put the charts fully and the rest of everything too. Because wait, I'll try to do some trade like a design. Okay, wait. See, this is why I said wait for the price. Don't just jump in. Look, you can see price rejecting where I can draw. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, same price rejected. Now you can't just do entering like that. Wait for the price to tell you what to do. Good thing is the 30-minute in the top of the body, candle body, and now rejecting. Now it's quite nice, and that we just need that confirmation, blood. We need that nice confirmation, or then we can't do something. Yeah. Oh, guys, do you want to see something? Oh yeah, I showed it to you guys. Pussy! You all suck. I can see your head bobbing side to side. Oh my god. I have a banging Indian accent, to be honest. I lived in Dubai, so there's so many Indians there, and I learned the accents from them. I can speak in multiple languages. I need price to come down. This lows. I need price to come down here. If it does, and then we sell, right? Oh my god. See right now, it's right now gold's doing that, so it's not looking good. I'm from Valley. Who from Siemens? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I can. I guess that's more like you. You learned it from your parents. Fuck off. I'm not Indian, mate. I'm the furthest thing from an Indian guy. Yeah, I need sauce below here. Alright. Should I speak from Valley? Bro, Loki racist. Of course, everyone's racist. Don't even try me. Everyone's racist. You can't not be racist to anyone. It's not possible. It's just like literally against going human biology. Like you actually can't do it. You always want to be superior against everyone. Bro, I'm talking about psychological terms, yeah? According to philosophy and psychology, you always want to be superior over another person. So, by inherently doing that, you are racist. Don't come acting like, oh my god, we're being racist. But shut up, blood. You have to be racist, or else you're a pussy. I remember. Raise your hands in the air for me, boy. We should have like a sign with just an M, like, you know, just like put your hands down with a three fingers down, and then you just put look face it down. That's called MM sign. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh shit. It looks sick, bro. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, oh, exactly. I want to get the bling bling for MM bling, you know, like a proper M bling. Wait, let me see if I can. What the hell? Yeah, I get something like this. Yeah, I get it. See, my name is Kingam, right? I get this, it's done. What the hell is this Indian currency? Is in Malaysian, alright? No, this is dead. See, this is, oh shit. See, even he's rocking the M, bro. I'm telling ya. He knows M is the king blood. Exactly. Look at that. Look, you gotta be a king to wear that. Mine, and then you guys wear just a normal M. Be like Hal M. See, look at that. I'm telling you, MM is king blood. I'm gonna design it and someone make it for me and send it, alright? It's a gift for me, okay? I give you all so many pips. You guys give me some. Oh shit, gold. Oh shit, GJ. Oh, we're retesting this level. Oh, damn. This is why we don't trade randomly out of nowhere. Oh my god, I hope you guys listened. See, this is what happens if you don't listen. If you don't listen, this is what happens. Oh my god. Oh no. See, when you guys don't listen, god damn. Yep, exactly. See, now the 30 minute has now bottom wick. If this candle closes, we may actually have sells, to be honest. Not bad. It wouldn't be a that bad idea. We need to wait for 4. There's nothing in 4. If it ranges around here, I'm just gonna close the chat and go. All in on sells, go. Okay, calm down, buddy. Calm down. This has no bottom wick. 1 minute has no bottom wick. 30 minutes just, 15 minutes just gay. Wait, you guys need to freaking wait. Jesus Christ. Look, it's rejecting off of this level. Oh my god. No, can't do. Okay, just buy and sell at the same time so at least you don't lose money. You're that much of an idiot. Just do both. Oh my god, why am I getting a message from Quera? I need that gold. Did someone say? Oh shit! I said the wrong word. I said the wrong word. Wait, guys. Let me open up Discord. No, open down. Take it. Who's ready to come in chat? We make a chat. You guys come in and we chat up. Here. Guys. Come here. Come join this. Join this and we can chat. So we can talk and that. Guys, hello. I just came as I am telling you, you gotta get the thing. Just join the thing so we can chat up. See, you guys suck ass. I'm telling you. Okay, you guys are not coming. I swear to God. Okay, I'm leaving. I try to make it like interactive and all, and then you guys don't come. You see how much of a hole you people are. Bro, where are you going? I don't know. Come in an hour. I'm getting ready to go to the gym and break my other shoulder. Not bad. I'm gonna do the same thing in like an hour or two. At like 5, I'm gonna start breaking my legs. See, you go look at that. You just don't buy and sell at the same time. Look at GJ. Oh my god, who called this out? Oh no, I think I called it. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see GBPUSD. Oh no, what the hell is that? Oh, GBP is now also reacting off this level. Oh my god. Oh guys, let's trade this. It's called boom. If I'm right. Is it this? No, it's not this. Oh, it's called crash, my bad. Crash 75? 75, I'm not sure. It's some stupid thing though. I'm like, it's actually dumb. Crash. I don't know. What's the name? I have to find it. It goes up and then just come boom 25, boom 75. I have to find it, and then when I find it, we'll trade that one. It's good for you people who gamble a lot. Or like gambling. Why does this come down? No, this is on GJ. Shit. My bad. Sorry. Right here. I don't let's go. Bro, I'm telling ya. Let's go. Let's hop on a call on during neighbor. Sure. Yeah, I don't have the thingies yet. Oh yeah, I need to add rain thingy. Mod rain, whatever it's called. Know your loyalty for the motherland. Exactly. No, bro, I put it in the description, you imbeciles. How do I go away? You suck. Let me show you. Don't test me. Here. Nah, I see how it is. So you go to him, not me. Okay, I see how it is. I see how it is. I see how it is. I'm recording myself, Jesus. Alright, okay. Yeah, look. It's there. It's there. You press this, you join the Discord. Jesus. Discord out there. I'm already in it, so just launch the app. I see how it is. I see how it is. You go to him, not me. Alright. Yeah, I see. Oh yeah, this is the course, by the way. This is a set of Corsa. Look at it. It's too fun. He's doing you get into mods and then chum, chum, you go to the side to side and all that. Alrighty, GJ, nothing. Gold and nothing. Awimbawe. We may have that retest which I was talking about around here or here before we start to push up. Let's see what we get. The thing is, this 4 hour, it's in an hour and a half, but like hour and 20 minutes. We need to see if it closes above. Again, it doesn't really matter much. Awimbawe. 29 cells would have been actually fine, to be fair. I just don't like that. I didn't like it. Wait, let me see actually what could have been done. To be fair, that 30 minutes had no bottom wick. The hourly opened up. Yeah, actually, yeah, that 29.5 would have been nice. Looking back at it, my bad. Didn't see it. I mean, saw it. I just didn't. At what point do you think you should rebound back up? I expected to go to 26 to 25 before pushing somewhere, but like, let's see what it does. Because okay, not this. See, USD is making a nice double bottom around here, and price could push back up. The only problem is we are at this stupid range. We're at that stupid range. Look at the range. Price reacted around this area multiple times, right? Stops would be nice. If you got into sells around here, that's not bad. I just didn't feel like selling here. I wanted that buys above the stone, and I just didn't wait get it. Should have taken the sells, to be honest. Not bad. Yeah. 23 pips. Okay. Well, it's quite slow. I don't like these type of trades. I like these. Look, it's just straight candles. You know? I don't like when candles do these things. You're on Janus. No, I'm not. It was a sell all along. Rain, mate, see, I get the sell idea, true. I understand. I'm going with the expectation of price. Yeah, I expected some price to do some pullback. The only reason I didn't sell at 29.5 was because I was expecting price to do a rebound somewhere and start to push back up. I have these levels for a reason. I expect price. Oh shit. I expect price to do some reaction levels. Yeah, exactly. That 30 minutes should have been my confirmation. I just didn't take an entry. I just didn't like the way this candle looked like. Look here. This candle came down, and then these candles started to do a rejection. This candle would have not been an entry, but if you're looking on the 5 minute, it barely closed below, and it actually like it just created the bottom wig. So if you're gonna get in, your stops will be really big. And you know, I don't do stops much which are like 100 200 pips. I don't do that. My stops are what, 20 15 20 pips before I have any SL. Plus, this is what the whole move is. What, 20 pips, 25 pips? Fair. It's like one to two, but that's a lot. That's literally about it. Overall, I just did not like the fact that there is price reaction levels. Now you can't enter now. I got a clean enough entry. I just leave stops at. Yeah, exactly. If you're in, you're in. Just keep it. You can actually keep it down to 25s and then 23s, 20s before you have any sort of like reactions. Just this range. Look how shit it is. I don't like entering shitty positions. Like, come on, man. Like, bro. Yeah, you won this time, but how many times are you gonna win this type of trades? This was good. This was fine. I feel like this. I should have seen it, but I still don't like the. I still don't like the sells. Plus, I already had a trade in the morning and GJ. Here I had the sells. Price came down. I took the sell and I slept. I was that confident. I had the sell like this. This was the trade. Plus, this is the bad market conditions. I had the sell here, 20 pip SL, and then I caught till here, 50, about 50 pips. Sorry. Yeah, 50 something pips. I got this, and I didn't even move stops to break even, nothing. I took the trade. This was at what time? 9 in the morning for me. In 10 p.m. at night. And then I just took it, boom, slept. 9. And then I came back, TP already hit, and everything hit. I'm not gonna waste my profits on this. TB, this was like what time? This was at right now we're at 4 in the morning. This was at 10 p.m. This was look at when this happened. Here, I think I entered this here around this area. Let me see the exact time. Let me see the exact time that I took it. Oh no, this is showing my broker's time. 8 in the morning, London. No, wait, is it? I live in Dubai too, bro. Yeah, that was in Dubai's time. It was 5 in the morning. Really think I would call a trade for you guys? Should have been here giving us a signal. Bro, what do you mean it's 5 in the morning? 5 in the morning or 9 in the morning. I was in class. I took the trade and then came back, slept. Plus, this is actually looking not bad. Okay, nice. The man wants me to just like, yeah, I was in deep. Exactly. How would you take a trade? Alright, boys, I'm off. Good luck. Yeah, nice. If we see anything, I should have seen this. I'm a stupid guy. I didn't see it. Yeah, I should have seen this. Almost 30 pips. Shit. My bad. My bad. I don't like getting rejection levels like trades like that. This is nice now. Once this candle rejects, we can get this entry we want. One thing I've noticed is I'm getting too patient with my entries. Way too patient. I don't take as many entries as I used to. I used to take like, I would be on like 4 different trades already. No, you should have called it out. Yeah, it's fine now. Yeah, it's fine. I didn't see this. I saw this happening like after I think it was here or not. But yeah, I should have taken that 29. My bad. I didn't see this. I really didn't see this. Whatever, it's fine. I don't care. I already won today. Yeah, we're glued to on MM's preaching. What? I see how it is. Now you don't like me. Alright. Remember guys, don't forget this. Look what it says, 8 wins, 1 break even, and then we have over 10 trade ideas that worked out after the stream. The trade ideas I gave. So we're actually like 15-0. I just don't count them. Don't mess with me. Plus, if you guys are taking like trades on a funded account, having 100 pip SO, it's not going to be nice, is it? Like if you have 100 pip SO, what's your risk going to be? Like a risk to reward in terms of risk to reward, right? A 40, 50 pip, let's say this, right? What would be your, okay, for now, let's say you close at 30 pips. Okay, you risked, let's say if you're risking 1%, you made 0.5%. My trades, if I enter them, will make you 2-3%. So it's fine. One trade will be more wins more in terms of profit than most people's. Oh, okay, you guys, I don't know. I'm just saying in general, most people like here, that's how they do it. I don't do that. I'm just saying what I do. I actually care about RR. This 5 minute closes break closes down. We could have price coming down further. Anyways, at 4 and I'm leaving. This is what I'm looking for. Price. What the price come down to like here? Wait. I expect price to come down to these levels, right? But the thing is, we may have a retest of this area, come down, retest, and then come down, or we break this area. These are the three levels of three areas I'm looking for. Here, these are risk, high rewards, high risk, high reward cells, and then below this, then each one of these are like sell levels. For now, watch what the markets are doing. This is not bad. This is not bad. It's all right. Cool. At 4, I might leave. I just don't like the markets today, and as I said, I'm waiting for better price points. Also, I don't trade in rangy markets. That's how most people lose their money. This day works out. 10 more days it won't. You know. But this was actually decent. This was calm. This was not bad. This would have been my entry. This would have been my entry. Somewhere like this. I just didn't enter. It would have been something like this, but I just didn't see this. Bad day. And then next time, tomorrow or something, we get it. Shit. Yeah, next day, another day, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You missed now, it's fine, it doesn't care. Like the stream and sub. DJ, no. Okay. Retest of this. We'll see this in New York. I'll send a picture and image and see what to expect. This is good. This is pushing up. Still in that range. Not bad rejections. We just don't need a double top. Yeah, 12 likes. Man, pisses me off. I do proper analysis and everything. 12 views. What the fuck? Double like that works. Alright boys, I'm a dip. There's nothing for me to take a trade. I don't trade like these things. I mean, this would have been my only entry. I just didn't. I missed it. But that's it. Personally, I'm not gonna take anything else. Candle close bottom here. Not bad. Again, I'm gonna mark out the trade idea and see what happens afterwards, and then we may get that entry. So the trade ideas I have is here, breaks below, sells, breaks above, buys. The only thing is we need price to just be stagnant here, and then once we get a clear direction above or below, then we do the entry. We can have safer sells below this level. So for now, my sell zones are here, here, and for buys it's going to be here. I need proof of each one happening, or else no trade. And that's about it. Oh, why did you do that? It's what? Oh, you deleted this guy. It's fine. All right, see ya, boys. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow. Oh no, I actually won't be there tomorrow. I'll come on Thursday, Tuesday if I can. No, Wednesday. Yeah, I can't do it tomorrow because tomorrow I got classes from, yeah, during London session I got classes. See ya. See ya, boys. Bye bye.